In this example, we're multiplying algebraic fractions, and the question may often say simplify, because we can't work out an exact answer because we have some letters here we don't know what the numerical value of that A or the C or the B are. Okay, so let's see what we have. We've got AC divided by 8, and 8 needs to be broken down into its prime factors. 4 times 2, and then 2 times 2. So 8 is 2 times 2 times 2. Multiplied by 4, 4 is simply 2 times 2 over A, B, and C, which are all separate anyway. Okay, let's now gather them together as one big division sum. A times C times 2 times 2. On the bottom, 2 times 2 times 2 times A times B times C. Have a quick look at them and to see what's common on the top and the bottom. So we've got an A, we've got a C, and we've got 2 B's. Right, so let's just change the order, which won't change the value of the sum, so that we've got an A, a C, a 2 and a 2 on the top, and underneath put it in a similar order. So the A comes first, followed by the C, 2 2's, and that's leaving us with a 2 and a B. Now we can split it up again, so that we've got A divided by A. That's nice because it'll cancel down. C divided by C, 2 divided by 2, 2 divided by 2. Something over 2, there's nothing there, so it must be a 1, and the same here with the B. That now allows us to cancel down and divide out. A divided by A is 1, C divided by C is 1, 2 divided by 2, and 2 divided by 2 again. And then let's gather it all together and see what we have. There's a little line down here. So we have 1 times 1 times 1 times 1, and then we have that times by 1 over 2 times by 1 over B. Let's bring those fractions together. So the 1's all multiplied together are just going to make a 1. So it's 1 times B over, 1 times 1 over 2 times B. 1 times 1 is simply 1 over 2B.